Is suing your employer for an ADA violation while filing an ERISA disability claim a smart thing to do? Well, let's think this through. When you claim that you are disabled and entitled to your ERISA disability benefits, you have to prove that you're unable to do the material and substantial duties of your own occupation. On the other hand, if you're suing your employer for discrimination, wrongful termination, retaliation, or harassment, that claim can directly conflict with a long-term disability claim. In fact, the elements of these types of employment claims require that you be capable of adequately performing your job duties. That sounds like a contradiction to me. Now, the EEOC has taken the position that a person's claim they are disabled for ERISA disability benefits or Social Security disability benefits is not necessarily inconsistent with a discrimination claim. I think from a practical matter it is. The ADA has a special definition of qualified individuals with a disability, and that definition might be different than the definition of disability in your group long-term disability policy. I think that the definition of disability in your policy, the facts, medical records, all of that can make or break a claim for both an ERISA disability claim and an employment-related claim. I think that if the definitions of disability are similar, then the courts are not necessarily going to be happy that you are pursuing both, and more likely than not are going to grant a motion to dismiss that your employer might file in your employment claim. So I think that you need to think this through. And I'm going to next talk about sequencing a discrimination claim and an ERISA disability claim, just to give you some more things to think about. In the meantime, if you have any questions, call me today at 727-894-3188. This is a complicated area, and we need to talk about the facts of your case. We need to talk about what your employer may or may not be doing. We need to talk about your medical records. We need to talk about your disability policy or plan to come to the right answer for you, because there is no uniform right answer. 727-894-3188.